Hello, today we'll be talking about a highway construction zone that is just poorly labeled and poorly lit late at night. This is the New York State Thruway northbound, and we'll see our first warnings of a construction site ahead, or roadside construction. We have the state law signs to say, fines doubled in construction zones. Then we'll have our next sign here saying road work ahead, I think, half a mile. As we continue forward, this sign here says right lanes closed. Remember, right lanes. I'm pretty sure it says right lanes. I don't think it says two right lanes. I can't really remember. So I move over to the left. Like, right lanes closed ahead. It did say like half a mile, so I'm like any second. Then we get the sign saying merging from right. By the way, this is incorrect, the timestamp and date. It is actually around 12:30 or 1 a.m. at this point. So now here's the first stupid thing. They have these giant floodlights set up for the construction zone illumination. Instead of having the illumination face away from you, so you can see the cones on the ground without being blinded by this massive light, they have the floodlights facing directly at you. So while your eyes are adjusted to the nighttime darkness, you get hit with this blast of the sun's light. And you can't see. Right here, there's an arrow saying that this right lane is closed. You can't see that because of the blinding of this massive LED floodlights. You only see it the last possible second. And also another issue too is humans' eyes, especially at night. Do you ever notice you find yourself being attracted to headlights of cars coming at you? Because we're naturally attracted to light. So humans naturally be attracted to staring at this massive bright light, making their vision go a little wary. I move over to the left lane here because I see a car with hazard lights up here. I didn't really think anything of it at the time. Thought it was someone who was having some mechanical issues or something. Did you see it? Let me go back. Another right lane merging sign. You can't see if there's another arrow saying the right lane ends up here, because another massive floodlight is blocking the vision of it. And we'll see here now what happens to this driver. Luckily, I was paying attention, because that was close. You see, I didn't even notice it until right about here, when all of a sudden you're past the bright of the massive floodlights. You'll see I start flashing my high beams at him to let him know, come over quick, because boy, does this guy get close to those cones. Holy crap. And we'll see ahead, they have another massive floodlight blinding everyone. And up here is where the crew is working on this bridge, I believe. And you will see that the floodlight they're using when they're working up here, they actually have it facing the right way. It is facing against traffic, towards them, not directly towards the traffic. And we'll see up here two vehicles with their hazard lights on pull off to the right. Not sure if they hit cones or hit each other, but what an awfully labeled and awfully set up construction site. They really got to rethink the whole putting the massive floodlights into the eyes of the drivers at 1 a.m. thing. This has been Road Review. Thank you for watching.